course.
Of course, we know Filipino. Like, the kaganda ng Barong Tagalog. Like, so ganda talaga.
But are you familiar with Barong Tagalog?
So like the Barong Tagalog?
Yes.
Super social, very formal shirt It's
Oh.
like a long sleeve, a
Yes.
collar shirt,
Yes.
embroidered.
Oo,
You see
yun!
it sa mga kasalan.
Yes.
Yes, pero another
Yes.
yes. Ang ganda, ganda! May ka na bang Barong Tagalog?